My students, grade 4, how are you? Today we'll solve model number 2 from Math Questions Bank from the الدقهليه government. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, the unit fraction of the following is 1/8. Unit fraction, its meaning numerator will be 1 and denominator a number greater than 1. Space less than 4/9. 1/9 less than 4/9. The value of the digit 9 is the number 0.9, 19th. 4/10 plus 2/100, we must multiplication 10 numerator and numerator here. 40/100 plus 2/100 will be 42/100. 4/10 multiplication by 10 numerator and numerator. To find the like denominator between them, it will be 100 and here it will be 42. Survey data about the number of beats your friend has a present graph with space. Okay, using here parts. All the perpendicular straight lines are space lines. All perpendicular straight lines are parallel. All perpendicular straight lines are parallel. All perpendicular straight lines here, all will be parallel. Okay. The angle measures 73 right 90 degree. And 73 less than 90, it will be acute. Complete the following here. The fraction is represented this model. We have how many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5/8. He colored 5 parts from 8 parts. 5/8. 2 and 1/9 as improper fraction. We must convert from mixed number to improper. Multiplication number here, whole number 2 and 1/9, write 9 in the numerator. 2 times 9 equal 18 plus 1 equal 19. The place value of the digit 6 in the number here, hundredths. 6 lies in hundredths, right? Hundredths. Space over 10 over 30 over 100. 10 times 10 equal 100 and 10 times 3 equal 30. Write 3. Question 5. Questionnaire data on the favorite foods of boys and girls represent graphically with space. We can draw by double parts. We called it double parts, comparing between two information in data. Double parts. Okay. Start point of the object ray is Z. Start point Z. Question 7. The measure of right angle 90 degree. If the area of square 49 square centimeters, its line side length equals 7 centimeters because area of square length times length or side by side. 7 times 7 equals 49. The fraction 9/7 is called improper because the denominator greater than numerator. Huda made 25 cakes. One of them contains 3/5 cream. The number of cakes that contain on cream 3/5 multiplication by 25. The result will be what? 25 divided by 5 equal 5 and 3 times 5 equal 15 centimeter. Sorry, centimeter, what? No, the cake. 15 cake. 15 cake. Question 3. Number of hundredths of the number 1.68 equals space part. He asked about number of hundredths. Number of hundredths here equal 168. 168 divided by 100 equal 1.68. Asked about number hundredths here equal 8. 8 number of hundredths in this number. Write 8 parts. Okay, write 8 parts. 1 and 8 over 100, it will be 1.08. 1 and 8 hundredths. The graph that shows the repetition of data of number line in graph with space. We will choose bars because asked about repetition. The graph that shows the repetition of data اللي هو التكرار on the number line we called it graph. We can use graph to represent repetition. We can draw the graph because this horizontal ray here we called it what? We called it seats, and here repetition. So we must choose bars because he asked about what? Asked about repetition. We can use what? Graph. Bar graph. Bars using letter A. The result will be letter A about this question. The graph that shows repetition data on the number line graph. Use bars. The obtuse angle triangle has space obtuse angle 1. Angle obtuse angle 1. Angle here obtuse. The triangle of side length 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm is called scalene. We call it what? Scalene. Question number 4. Answer the following question. Ahmed ate a whole orange. Dua ate 6 orange, and Nahid ate 4/6 orange. How much what did Ahmed, Dua, and Nahid eat from orange? We can eat all them because Ahmed ate a whole orange, and Dua ate 1/6 of orange, and Nada or Nahid ate 4/6. We can eat 3 number here. 1 plus 1/6 plus 4/6. 1 equals 6/6 plus 1/6 plus 4/6. Write 6 here. 6 plus 1 equals 7 plus 4 equals 11. It will be 1 and 5/6 orange. Okay. Hussam's mass was 65.6 kilogram. Express Hussam's mass in decimal number from the inflection form. Okay. $65.5 kilogram. You can write 60 plus 5 plus 0.5, and we can write this number in fractions. 65.5, it will be 655/10, and we can simplify it divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 equal 2, 6 divided by 5 equal 1, and remainder 1. 15 divided by 5 equal 3, 5 divided by 5 equal 1. Okay. From the opposite figure, find line segment and ray. We can find line segment here such that xy, and the ray xy line segment, and xy is the ray. Question letter D. The following data show number students participate in school activity representing data bar graph. We can draw in seats. and then a repartition. Seats here, social and cultural and sports and arts, and the distance quality 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and then draw the first social to 20, drawing the bar here to 20, and culture 30, and then 25 here, and art and the art will be where 10, art to 10. You can draw this in your notebook. Okay, my students.